High land and space costs limit business growth. Warehouse management and operational efficiency are critical to a company's competitiveness. GODSPEED logistics equipment creates space through movement and boosts efficiency with speed. We've developed a high-efficiency, trackless mobile racking system. Stark AI Intelligent Trackless Mobile Automated Storage System. It solves the issue of high land and space costs. Stark introduces an easy-to-see light signal picking system. A central computer controls multiple unmanned forklifts for operations. This brings true AI-powered automated warehousing to life. Unlimited space, maximized, upgradable, expandable, easy to relocate, turn off the lights, available for lease, and enables 24/7 carbon-reducing dark warehouse operations. Helping businesses develop sustainably, even traditional flat warehouses can gradually evolve into AI-driven automated storage. Phase 1 fixed racking is upgraded to heavy-duty electric mobile racking. Movement creates space by reducing the aisle ratio, maximizing storage efficiency. The racking system can expand up to 12 meters high. Its precision and speed meet the needs of customers in various industries. Phase 2, setting up location codes and light signals. Scanning codes and light-guided picking, improving access efficiency and accuracy. Light signals guide operations, reducing human error. Phase 3, unmanned forklift collaboration. Centralized scheduling for inbound and outbound operations. Unmanned forklifts handle scheduled storage and retrieval. Remote control makes warehouse operations safer. As the era of unmanned heavy-duty mobile storage arrives, low-temperature automated storage is emerging. This marks a major leap forward in storage technology. Combined with an intelligent management platform, integrates workstation concepts with goods-to-person picking. Using AI algorithms, it orchestrates the operations and resource allocation of unmanned forklifts. Handling inbound and outbound processes, sorting, and stock taking. Ultimately achieving fully automated smart warehousing. In a globally competitive market, speed determines a company's competitiveness. Movement unlocks business possibilities. GODSPEED Logistics Equipment offers flexible space solutions, maximizing the value of your warehouse.